I wanna show you a method for unpacking archives that consists files with Japanese file names, with Japanese names, and I've seen a lot that the other suggest you wrong methods for this that actually doesn't work, like for example it's installing applocal or like Windows support for Japanese language or like Asian languages, I think it was called in Windows 7. So these actually don't work usually. You need to do something else. Yes, the original post is on my itch.io blog, itch.io blog. You can see it. I leave the link in the description. Also, I will copy the script itself on Unpacking, but we get to it soon. First, I want to show you the problem itself. How does it look? So this archive, for example, that I got downloaded from this website right here, and if I go now open it just with your usual Windows File Explorer, you can see that that is like something like this, and you can see, well, I have a Russian Windows, so it's gonna be like some Russian letters messed up with the like other special characters, but I think on English version that will be some like Latin English letters, so it doesn't usually matter. But the thing about this is totally normal, and this is how Windows sees it. So if I gonna do this, like for example, when it gets really wrong, I can show you, like when I just open the archive with Windows Explorer and just drag and drop the folder here, the file names itself, they are corrupted right now. Now this is wrong. This can lead you to errors because like the engine that using these assets, this is referring to original names that have Japanese characters. Sorry for potential spoilers for this game. I hope everyone's played it already, but yeah, there's some content from the game. So anyway, for example, this guy getting this like checkerboard pattern thing, which is actually like a debug texture like in Gold Source Engine or Source Engine. You know what I mean, right? So this means that engine refers to some texture and cannot find it, right? And I'm actually providing a correct way to unpacking these archives. Well, the thing I discovered that not every type of archives having this issue. Like for example, here I have a .zip archive which have a lot of problems with them, but for example 7-zip doesn't have this. I think if you open a 7-zip file with a 7-zip archiver, the actual Japanese characters you'll see them totally fine, but zip it's actually can be real pain in the ass. What I've done is made a bat file that should be placed in a separate folder because it scans through the all files in this folder and like identifies them if they are archived or not in the current folder. So yes, you should do like this. Just some archive log txt will be generated automatically. Doesn't need this. The game itself, it's like wrong anyway. So only this file and the archive. As I said before, you need to install 7-zip archiver, which is a free and open source software which you can download freely. And the main thing that 7-zip GUI doesn't support this feature, unfortunately. You only can do this through the command line. And I automated this process a little. You can see like this part, path to use 7-zip file. This shall be path to actually 7zip.exe, not 7-zip GUI. There will be different binary executables, but you should use only this 7zip.exe here, this MCP932. This is actually tells 7-zip to use Japanese code page. Yes, you can also remove it if you want to unpack your usual archives with English letters. But keep in mind that you cannot use just this for every type of files, because if you use this line with the English letters archives, they will be corrupted as well. I don't think why is that a thing, but I've got to separate scripts like this into separate folders, and the unarchived files, as you can see here, goes into unpacked folder, and every archive will have a separate folder as the name of archive itself. Yeah, and it creates a log as well. When you're writing a path to archive program, you must do just this in parentheses. You can ignore the stars, so I can show you. It should look like this. Like, for example, my path is looks like this: C drive, program files, 7-zip, etc. And I can show you right now how it works. It actually doesn't matter where you put the folder with the test files. It doesn't matter at all. So I just run it. It just creates like a command window. It creates also a log. Log shows you that everything is fine. There's some garbage here. I'm not really sure what's it all about, but I think it was unpacked right. If I go on the folder and the game itself, it was a game with the files, as I said before, that have Japanese file names. Now you see that they're totally fine now, and engine can seize them. This is an actual, like what the author intended them to look like.